Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study from Physics Wallah app. Open the app, pick your course, and prioritize topics by exam weight and weakness. Use the planner to block 25 to 50-minute focus sessions, add short breaks, and flag difficult videos for review. Sync notes with bookmarks and use search to jump to timestamps. Practice with topic quizzes after each video and revise flagged concepts daily for steady progress. In this video, I will explain how to organize content inside the Physics Wallah app. Start by creating playlists for chapters and exam topics, then move important videos into a revision list. Tag each video with difficulty and timestamp key moments while you watch. Keep short, searchable notes and attach screenshots when needed. Regularly clear watched items and keep only high-yield content in your revision list to streamline review sessions. In this video, I will review a quick recommendation while we pause for an ad. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice makes long study drives or library runs smell great and wake you up between sessions. It's a small, fun upgrade for focus on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you grabbed it, thanks. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you with active practice strategies for the Physics Wallah app. Pause videos and attempt problems before watching solutions to train problem solving. Use in-app quizzes and full-length tests under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure. Revisit wrong answers, watch detailed solutions, and recreate steps on paper. Explain concepts to a friend or record yourself teaching to expose gaps and build confident recall for exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.